Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple hair growth oil as well as the strengthening tea to go with it. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I have a mason jar that has a tablespoon of dried rosemary leaves. I also added a tablespoon of dry hibiscus, and I also added 1 tablespoon of bhringaraj powder, and now I am adding a tablespoon of henna powder. Next, I'm going to add about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of extra virgin olive oil. Rosemary is used to strengthen blood circulation. As a result, it can prevent hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, and leading to hair loss. Beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary is used to prevent premature graying as well as dandruff, and it also helps with dry and itchy scalp. Hibiscus can help stop hair loss, make your hair look healthy, prevent premature graying, thicken hair, and add volume, treat dandruff, condition against frizziness, dryness, and breakage, and also helps prevent split ends. Henna powder also helps promote hair growth by removing excess grease and dirt from the scalp, including dandruff. Bhringaraj powder helps to improve blood circulation and is capable of revitalizing the hair follicles and facilitating hair growth. So now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together, and I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water and place it back on the stove on low heat for about 2 hours, just to make sure that the oil is infused with all of these ingredients. So now that it's been about 2 hours, I'm just going to take the oil and just run it through this stocking cap so I can separate the oil from the powders as well as the leaves. So now I'm just going to transfer the oil into a applicator bottle. So now I'm just going to take that stocking cap that has the powders as well as the dry rosemary leaves and the hibiscus in it, and I'm just going to wrap that around the opening of the mason jar, and I'm going to pour in some hot water to make a strengthening tea rinse. Using this tea regularly will strengthen your hair like crazy. Strong hair leads to longer hair. The strengthening tea will help treat thin hair, shedding hair, as well as refresh your curls, stimulate hair growth, and soften your texture. So I let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did earlier with the oil. I'm just going to take the stocking cap and place it over this bowl just to strain out any rosemary leaves or powders that may be in the mason jar. So now I'm just going to demonstrate how I would use the strengthening tea as well as the hair growth oil. So I'm just going to lightly spray the strengthening tea all over my hair, mainly focusing it on my ends. And I'm just going to lightly damp my hair. I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. And then I'm going to follow up with the hair growth oil. Also, I would suggest doing this at least 3 times a week, spraying your hair with the strengthening tea and then following up with the hair oil, and then also following up with a light scalp massage.
What we do here is go back, 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 back,
Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.